Hello guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you how do you create a PayPal account without a phone number. So first thing, log into paypal.com and hit on sign up. So once you hit on sign up, it's asking for a security challenge. You have no problem, just do that. Okay, so now here enter your email address. It's asking for a business email address, so just enter one, fill that up, hit on next. For a password, to create a password, so just create a password based on the criteria here. Then you can ask is it's asking for type of business, so choose which type of business best suits you. So probably I would say it's a public company, whatever that suits your business. Click on next, and then it's asking for more details about your business. So what you have to do is you have to fill in your legal names, first name, last names, and then the business name, your business name. All right, and then here what type of product or services you provide. So I'll just put something, I'll put telecommunications or whatever. And then here for business phone number, what you can do is if you don't have a phone number, just go to Google and click on, type on receive SMS. Where there's a lot of portal where you can receive SMS for free. For example, that one here should work. Yep, so this one here, so just for in case whether maybe you don't have a phone number or the country you live in, your location doesn't support PayPal, in that case you can use this method. So find a your country, probably UK, yeah, anything that's fine, UK, Australia, whatever that is. So we can do, so if you want to use UK, you can use, so copy in this phone number here. All right, so choose the country. For example, if it's UK, so for. And then, yep, so you have here, so you can just, what you can use, just copy that number, right? Yep, that's it. So you copy that, and then your address, your business address, just fill in all your business address here. And then if you want, you can check in the promotion checkbox, and then make sure you read all the user agreements and all those things. So hit on the text box, hit on it, and fill all this address here, whatever you want to do. So fill it, everything, and then once you're done, then finally just hit on agree and create account. So once you hit this, then shortly you should receive an email to your inbox, an email from PayPal saying that your account has been created. And hope this video helps, and I will see you guys in another video. Thank you.